Creating an organized shop makes turning more enjoyable. Here are a few proven strategies to organize your turning area so that you'll be able to find what you need when you need it. Ask any winning coach what was a key to team success, and they'll probably say strategy. The same holds true for an organized turning center. Determine specifically what tools and supplies you need and decide exactly how and where to store each of them. Categorize and rank your tools and supplies by usage. Determine which tools and accessories you use the most and give them the most accessible space near the lathe. Store lesser used items in drawers or other spots where they take up less valuable real estate, creating a more efficient work area. Review the numerous tool holders and organizers available and select which work best for your turning area. Depending on your shop skills, you may want to build some yourself for a custom feel. Use available wall space to hang jigs and accessories. Create wood bases and drill holes in those bases for ease of hanging. Add cleats to the bottoms of accessories to stabilize and secure them in a vise or clamp when in use. No room to grow? Make better use of the space available. Putting tools on mobile stands or carts works well in shops where you can roll them into a work area when needed and then place them back against the wall or out of the way when not in use. Take a look at fishing supply or other hobby organizers that store supplies in an organized manner. Create written or typed labels for individual compartments to make the parts easy to identify at a glance. Available in many sizes, transparent plastic containers work extremely well for storing supplies. Stack them on top of each other or build cabinets to house and protect them. Open-faced cabinets allow ease of viewing and accessibility. Customize storage containers and drawers to do double duty by creating dividers. Keep it simple and cut them from cardboard or use plywood or hardboard for more durable partitions. Dividers allow you to organize a small space into individual compartments. Inexpensive and easily customizable, perforated hardboard allows for unlimited organizational options. Build a back frame to hold it away from the wall, and position metal supports to organize supplies. The pre-drilled holes allow you to maximize wall space. Professionals often store their expensive tools in customized drawers to keep them from banging around. This strategy also allows you to see missing tools and return them with proper place and ease. Trace around your tools and cut openings with a scroll saw or CNC machine. Okay, we've all done it. We've mixed up our bushings. Avoid the frustration with an inexpensive stand that will keep all your pen kit bushings visible, accessible, and organized, so you'll never lose a bushing again. Buy one ready-made or custom build your own. We hope you find these solutions useful. Let us know in the comments what organizational tips you might have to make your shop work harder.